received the candy, you didn't. You didn't do the homework, right? So some kind of creative punishment, they are always welcomed. Always. Like this is great because like students should understand that. Okay, first of all, I did something wrong for myself, and like teacher noticed it, and I feel bad. So the student should feel bad about not doing the homework. Okay, next, tell the student that this is your second group.
No.
No. Tell them that you've never taught business English. No. Tell them that you're a student.
No.
No. Canceling the classes.
No.
Tricky.
No.
No, you can't. Yeah. Actually, if you have an emergency, we have a policy. So if you have an,
Good.
but you have your friends around you whom you can just. You are not writing to your friends. You're writing to your manager. Manager finds your friend who can help you to miss this class, but not canceling the class. We have enough teachers.
Yeah,
to
for
miss
substitution.
you.
So there are situations like emergency situation when you need to call your manager, but not directly to the students, right? You can cancel the class not less than 5 hours before the class, only through the manager, and as early as possible. It's different situations happen, but only through the manager if there is such a situation, and not to the student directly. Taking vacation in summer.
Oh, we can take the vacation time, but in the end we can tell somebody that we actually
Not just
joined the
disappear.
vacation. Not just disappear.
Yeah, please, guys. Not disappear.
And it's better not more than 2 weeks, right? Because students, they might get used to the other teacher. Okay, conducting a training plus to your group. Training plus to your group. Do you know training plus? This is the extra training that are free of charge for your students, and they order these trainings through the manager. They can be of different topics, once per month. Can you conduct this free training to your students? And you're going
with it. You're working with it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not
If
yourself.
they know.
No, this is the point of this training, that actually another teacher tries to explain the same thing. No, not actually.
All right, good that you like. So first of all, there is such a notion, training plus. It is
Yes.
free of charge, once per month, ordered through the manager.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not instead of the class, but in more
additional.
additional class.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, if the group is eager to have this training with you only, it is possible. It is possible, and you can negotiate the topic like this is agree on the topic. But yeah, usually we ask other teachers, but you can, right? So this is a do. You can conduct this training, just for you to know, because students might ask you, please, we want to see only you at our class. We don't want any other teacher, and you might say yes. And of course, it will be paid to you for this training. All right, sending a text message to the class.
No.
No. Using a dictionary in the class.
For students, yes.
For a teacher.
You can make it tricky if they ask you a tricky word, and especially when it's business English, upper intermediate, or advanced. So you could ask them to look in the dictionary sometimes when you really need this word, for them to actually look at the dictionary, how it looks like, and probably when the person search himself for a word, they will remember it better. Also, they have some examples. So again, they search for a word, understood, okay, now examples, make a sentence, make a story. So they can be used, but only on the upper levels when the vocabulary is very difficult. I think.
Yeah, try to act out the situation. Try to just be again flexible. It's better not to use dictionary at the class, but if there is something that that this person will not get off view really easily if you don't get this word. You can, but not very often, okay? Not often. Okay, girls, thank you for your attention and participation.
Thank you. And
If you have any questions, please ask. I'm open to answer them. And you will have also participation and homework. You will have a homework. I will send all those materials, digital version of them, to each of you, and there will be a homework, some situations, problematic situations that you might face while dealing with corporate students. It's up to you to answer or to not, but if you answer, I will analyze your answer and I will give you some other tips how you can deal with the situations, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good, thank you for participation.
And 1 minute, guys, for your expectations. Ina has covered your expectations. What do you think? Just trying to go back to your expectations. Is it 400% covered or 70%? Just
Yeah, of course, we had fun. We had a lot of fun. We gave you a lot of interesting interesting stuff. We love to
Uh-huh.
go to it later.
To be studied.
Yeah, we get acquainted with everybody,
Each
so
other. Mhm.
it's very good, and all the expectation and even more was covered.
Okay,
so it
that's
was
great.
Thank you
So,
very much.
That's the idea actually. Just go back to your expectation, think, analyze it, and I think that will be interesting for you to know.
Paper.
Thank you. Oh, this is the paper for your feedback. Just what have you received today?
And guys,
The feedback
yeah,
on
write
the training.
feedback. And there's also going to be like WISE standards for you to again to remember them.
Yeah.
And there's one more document. Once I had training how to deal with problematic students. There is very good strategy how to deal with problems. It's also should be like a help for you to deal with them. Okay, so look through this. It's a very only 2 pages. So take one, okay, and pass around. Take one. Enough, not enough.
Not enough. One more.
One more. So.
Fine with them. Fine with
Problematic students. How to deal with problematic students. How to deal with problematic students.
Put it in.
How to deal with problematic students. Okay.
Thank you, Ina. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Really glad to see you. So again, so welcome
Good
back.
to see you. Maybe with the
Well,
support.
Okay.
Small
bye.
support.